So here we go on a ride along today. I got a picture sent in to me from a customer of mine, a dent probably about that big, and it's on a black Camaro, and it's a lease return, and the customer doesn't want to get dinged for the whole full repair of the thing. So we're gonna see what we can do. I'm not sure if I can get to it. I know it's kind of jammed up in the corner there, kind of by the headlight. I'm gonna go there and take a look and see what I can do later. So this is one of those scenarios. This is a lease return vehicle. The customer has to return it, and it doesn't want to incur any extra charges while returning the vehicle. So here's the hit. Here's the dent. It's pretty big. It runs through the body line here. The problem with this one is the paint is chipped on this edge, and it's pinched. It's pinched super hard. I told the customer I can't get it all the way. I can get most of this, but I can't get this end part because it's so sandwiched together. It goes plastic right here, and then it goes sheet metal, and the sheet metal is pinched. So we'll see what we can do. We can get this thing to 80%, just like I told the customer. Oh, see, I lost you guys again. There you are. I keep losing you. So here we go. Here is the finished lease return Camaro SS. Remember, I told the customer 80% because I couldn't finish this last part along this seam. And there still is that chip paint. I mean, of course, I can't do anything about that. Maybe the customer can do some touch up, but it is sandwiched there. I don't know if you can see that angle or not, but it came out pretty damn good. I think it's probably beyond 80%. And it'll definitely pass a lease inspection. So there you have it. We talked about what to expect ahead of time with the customer. The customer totally agrees, and that's it.